Welcome back, tech fans. Imagine an app that can replace WhatsApp, Zoom, and even traditional banks. Sounds impossible? Well, today we're talking about Nexora, a platform that promises to do exactly that. In this full review, we'll explore how Nexora is changing the game in communication, finance, and digital interaction. Nexora is not just another app. It's a full ecosystem designed to integrate communication and financial services in one secure, decentralized platform. Unlike traditional apps that keep your data and transactions controlled by central servers, Nexora empowers users by leveraging blockchain technology. This means your messages, calls, and payments are encrypted, transparent, and directly controlled by you. Starting with communication, Nexora offers secure messaging and video calls that rival WhatsApp and Zoom. End-to-end encryption ensures that your conversations are private and protected from hacks or third-party monitoring. Businesses can also benefit from Nexora's collaboration tools, allowing teams to share files, conduct meetings, and communicate globally without worrying about security leaks. The platform's decentralized nature removes middlemen, making communication faster, safer, and cost-effective. On the finance side, Nexora introduces a fully functional, decentralized banking system. Users can send and receive money globally without relying on traditional banks or payment gateways. Transactions are instant, fees are minimal, and everything is verified on the blockchain, reducing fraud and increasing transparency. Beyond basic transfers, Nexora also allows users to stake tokens, earn passive income, and invest in the platform's growing ecosystem, all within the same app. What makes Nexora truly unique is its combination of these features in one interface. Instead of juggling multiple apps for chat, video calls, and banking, Nexora consolidates everything into a single, user-friendly platform. Its accessibility ensures that even beginners can navigate the app easily, making it practical for personal use, business operations, and even educational purposes. Security and privacy are at the core of Nexora. Multi-layer encryption, decentralized storage, and constant monitoring protect both communication and financial activities. Users can trust that their data is safe, which is a growing concern with conventional apps that often sell data to advertisers or face frequent breaches. Moreover, Nexora includes community governance. Token holders have a voice in platform decisions, such as upgrades and new features. This decentralized decision-making model ensures the platform evolves based on user needs rather than corporate agendas, creating a more reliable and community-driven environment. In short, Nexora is a revolutionary app that could replace WhatsApp, Zoom, and traditional banking services. By merging communication, finance, and decentralized control into one ecosystem, it offers efficiency, security, and convenience like never before. It's a glimpse into the future of digital interaction. So, could Nexora be the all-in-one app you've been waiting for? Only time will tell, but its features are certainly impressive. If you want to stay ahead in communication and finance, Nexora is worth exploring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates on groundbreaking platforms.